Ladies and gentlemen, it is tough to be patriotic. Ask Shashi Tharoor, the four-time Congress member of Parliament from Thiruvananthapuram, has found this out the hard way. Despite being back from Operation Sindoor outreach mission on June 10th, Tharoor was not invited to be part of the Congress-led UDF's Bipole campaign in Kerala's Nilambur. When asked about the reason, Tharoor said it was because of some differences of opinion with the Congress leadership. He didn't get into the specifics. Instead, in typical Tharoor fashion, he said, "You know what I'm talking about." And he need not have said any more because the entire world understood what he was trying to say. Because anyone who follows Congress and the way it works knew and understood. And the BJP spelt it out on what Tharoor was going through.
Yes, there may have been some differences with the leadership on some issues. Whatever is out there in the public domain is out there. We leave it there. But I can always discuss them in private when and if appropriate. So far, as I've said, no one has reached out to me, but that's all right.
केवल क्योंकि शशि थरूर जी ने देश को प्रथम रखा, राष्ट्रहित को प्रथम रखा और पाकिस्तान को एक्सपोज किया, तो कांग्रेस पार्टी ने जिस प्रकार से उनको अपमानित किया, जिस प्रकार से उनको साइडलाइन करने की कोशिश की, कांग्रेस पार्टी कभी भी मेरिट को, टैलेंट को और राष्ट्र प्रथम को स्वीकार नहीं सकती। उसके लिए परिवार ही प्रथम है, चाटुकारिता प्रथम है।
जो भी उनके डिफरेंसेज है, जो भी बात है, वो उन्होंने बोला कि पार्टी के हाईकमांड से बात करेंगे और वो जो डिफरेंसेज है वो हाईकमांड इसके ऊपर टिप्पणी करेंगे।
Many are still saying that it has now become a case of two Congresses. One that follows Rahul Gandhi's model, the other that follows the Tharoor model. And what is that? The Desh Bhakti model and the Parivar Bhakti model. Look at your screen to find the evidence of what happens in Parivar Bhakti model. A birthday advertisement for leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi, who turned 55 today, gives pride of place to Sonia Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Rahul Gandhi. Relegated to a corner is Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. His image diminished in size and significance. The question now is it now clear who is promoted and who is punished in India's grand old party? And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the debate on the other side. Joining the debate is Sanjay Jha, author, Congress leader. And Sanjay Jha, I want to ask you, are you surprised Desh Bhakti, patriotism is punished, and not just for Tharoor? Even Salman Khurshid had to put out a tweet when he was on the all-party delegations abroad after Operation Sindoor. He had to say, is it so difficult to be patriotic that my allegiance is being questioned? And now, Parivar Bhakti, well, Rahul Gandhi, big size, Sonia Gandhi, big size picture, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, big size picture. Bechare Mallikarjun Kharge. Feel bad. President of the party. What is the insignificance that he's been reduced to in the family and the Parivar Bhakti?
Navika, good evening. I think the bigger issue actually is the fact that Asim Munir got a luncheon invite by the President of the United States, but
so
we'll discuss that another time.
We've debated that before. This debate is on, the Parivar Bhakti and the Rashtra Bhakti.
No, fair enough. I do believe that as far as, since you're focusing on Shashi's relationship with the Congress, I think the Congress needs Shashi, Shashi needs the Congress. They are both ideologically on the same platform. I think the Congress stands for the idea of India, and Shashi has been a brilliant ambassador for a constitutionally democratic nation that is both secular and liberal in its outlook. So clearly, I don't see any, shall we say, attempt that is being done by the BJP with a whole element of what I call as Schadenfreude to take, some kind of a kick to see that Shashi is having some kind of a internal dynamic problem with the Congress. I do agree that things could have been better handled.
Just like you, Sanjay Jha, voice of reason is not something that, goes down easy with the Congress party, Sanjay Jha.
Well, I can tell you this for a fact, that end of day, I have recommended that before, and I will say it again on your show, Navika, that the Congress and Shashi need to just kind of meet and put all the unpleasantness or the acrimony behind, simply because there is a bigger challenge in front of the country, which is to see an incompetent, ineffective government which stands.
But is that happening,
Ashwini?
Ashwini?
In the way that
is that happening, Ashwini? Is Shashi Tharoor only being punished because he represented India and not the Congress party, because he was told, and as was Shashi Tharoor, that, you know, talk about the Congress party, and he said, no, I will represent India. Is that the problem that is happening in the Congress party? Parivar Bhakti over Desh Bhakti?
Navika ji, Congress is a democratic party where people with difference of opinion can coexist together and work for national interest, can coexist together and work for social justice. There is no different model in Congress.
Social justice?
There is only one model in Congress.
Have you seen the advertisement? Mallikarjun Kharge ji ko.
I'll answer that. I'll answer that also, because you put up that. I'll answer that. So Congress is a democratic party where people with different opinions can actually put their opinion. In fact, Shehzad fought election against Rahul Gandhi ji when he was in Congress, and that is allowed in Congress. I am very sure he cannot do that even for a state election in BJP. So now coming back to the poster, it was not a manifesto, it was not an official Congress per se manifesto, where it was more like a wishing to an individual where family was given a more preference. That's it. Why are you making it a political poster? It was a birthday wish to Rahul Gandhi. His family was included.
So in the birthday wish, you can actually
card.
Insult the party president.
There's no insult in that.
You can reduce his importance. You think he would not, as an elder, bless Rahul Gandhi?
This is the problem when you see things with a different specs.
मैंने स्पेक्स उतार दी, आप भी अपनी उतार दीजिए, सीधा दिखेगा.
नहीं, मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ नाविका जी, एक बर्थडे विश था राहुल गांधी जी के लिए, उनका कोई ऑफिशियल मैनिफेस्टो नहीं था पार्टी का.
Shehzad, you're making a mountain out of a molehill.
First of all, Navika, let me congratulate you on one thing you've not noticed in your debate. I was expelled from Congress. Sanjay suspended from Congress. He is present Congress and Vivek is future of Congress. तो चारों कांग्रेस से कनेक्टेड है. अब दूसरी बात, अश्विनी जी किस सीधे मुंह से बोलते हैं कि वी आर हैविंग डेमोक्रेसी. वन हैज बीन सस्पेंडेड फॉर राइटिंग आर्टिकल, वन वाज एक्सपेल्ड फॉर सेइंग दैट लेट्स हैव इलेक्शन, एंड यू आर सेइंग डेमोक्रेसी है पार्टी में. अरे इमरजेंसी का 50 years आ रहा है, कुछ तो शर्म करो अश्विनी जी. अच्छा, नाउ लेट्स कम टू द थरूर पॉइंट. नाउ थरूर जी का इन्होंने बोला कि वी विल सॉर्ट इट आउट प्राइवेटली, जैसे वही डीकेएस वर्सेस सिद्धरमैया प्राइवेटली सॉर्ट आउट हुआ, गहलोत पायलट वाला भी बहुत प्राइवेटली, एंड वो हिमाचल में वो हमारी प्रतिभा जी वर्सेस सुक्खू जी भी बड़ा प्राइवेटली हो रहा. पंजाब में तो सिद्धू जी वर्सेस अमरिंदर जी इतना प्राइवेटली हो गया कि केरला की याद ही नहीं आई. ऐसे प्राइवेटली करते सब लोग. पर आखिरी बात मैं बताना चाहता हूं, देखिए नाविका जी, इफ यू पुट द परिवार अबव पार्टी देन तो ठीक है, ये ऐड की तरह. बट इफ यू पुट नेशन फर्स्ट नॉट परिवार, इफ यू पुट देश first not dal, then you are out of like Shashi Tharoor, or you are made small like Khadge ji. Khadge ji को तो ऐसे nomination में भी बाहर खड़ा कर दिया था. And last 10 seconds, Ashwini ji, trick question. Shashi Tharoor has wished Rahul Gandhi today. Check Twitter.
I'll have to.
Okay. Is there a story there?
I don't know.
Has he wished? I'm asking. नहीं, ये बोल रहे संजय झा कहाँ गए? संजय झा has Shashi Tharoor wished Rahul Gandhi.
Who create stories?
Sir, please, 1 second. If I'm creating, you read out the tweet. Shashi Tharoor का tweet read out कर दो.
Vivek is checking. Vivek. Patriotism is a bad word in the Congress party. Question everybody is asking tonight.
हो सकता है क्या?
अरे भाई वो गले मिलके हो सकता है गले मिलके बर्थडे विश करके आए हो. इनको शहजाद पूनावाला को क्या लेना देना?
अच्छा,
how does he know? Everything doesn't have to be on the Twitter, ना?
वो बाइपो में तो नहीं बुलाया.
I'm not interested in who's wished whom on Twitter. Please tell me, is patriotism a bad word in the Congress party? Is Rashtra Bhakti, Desh Bhakti a bad word? Is Parivar Bhakti
it is not the question
the only formula that works for the Congress?
Desh Bhakti, patriotism is not the copyright of the Narendra Modi government and Mr. Tharoor. पहली चीज. और पार्टी पहले आती है, आइडियोलॉजी पहले आती है. आप भी चले जाइए गुलाम नबी आजाद की तरह. जिंदगी भर, सुनिए, जिंदगी भर पैसा, शोहरत, रिस्पेक्ट, मंत्रालय, मंत्री पद, जनता का प्यार क्यों मिला? क्योंकि ये कांग्रेस पार्टी के सदस्य थे. चाहे गुलाम नबी आजाद हो, चाहे शशि थरूर हो, चाहे कोई और नेता हो. और आज आप उसी पार्टी पे प्रंजन उठा रहे हैं. तो आप भी चले जाइए प्रणब मुखर्जी की तरह संघ के मुख्यालय पे. और जाके
एक
सैल्यूट
वाक्य।
करिए।
So he is making the
संघ के
point.
लोगों को
Jairam
एक
Ramesh.
वाक्य।
No,
और
no.
शुक्र है
Jairam Ramesh
कांग्रेस
made
ने
this
आपको
point some time back, and he said Congress में होना और कांग्रेस का होना are different things. Is this what
हाँ,
he's
मैं तो वही
parroting?
कह रहा हूं कि कांग्रेस परिवार है और परिवार की तरह कांग्रेस हो, ये अलग है।
कांग्रेस एक
कांग्रेस ही
ideology
परिवार है और परिवार को
आइडियोलॉजी है, परिवार नहीं है ना, बीजेपी जैसा परिवार नहीं चलता।
You said it is परिवार because Kharge has been relegated.
But they wish
It's
was
my
for
turn to
परिवार।
speak. He keeps interrupting. He doesn't make his point also. Let me also make. पार्टी परिवार की तरह होना और परिवार पार्टी की तरह होना, ये दोनों अलग है। और विवेक जी, मैं 10 सेकंड आपसे एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूं। आप अगर कांग्रेस से इतनी प्रभावित है तो आज चुनाव बाइपोल क्यों लड़ा उनके खिलाफ? मर्ज कर दो ना लेफ्ट को कांग्रेस में।
वो हमारी इंडिया अलायंस का,
ये गजब अलायंस है, लड़ना है बाइपोल में और टीवी पे आके बोलना है
देश के एलओपी हैं, इस मुल्क के एलओपी हैं।
अरे
तो
पिनराई
हमें
विजयन ने
advice
बोला
देना।
कांग्रेस का अलायंस जमात के साथ है।
हाँ, आपको भी हैप्पी बर्थडे बोलना चाहिए।
अरे तो हमने
Ruling
पीएम ने
party
तो
की
बोला
तरफ
है
से
भाई,
LOP
शशि
के
थरूर
लिए
ने नहीं
हैप्पी
बोला
बर्थडे आना चाहिए।
शशि थरूर ने नहीं बोला है।
पूनावाला विश राहुल गांधी हैप्पी बर्थडे।
यस, 3 टाइम्स।
शहजाद पूनावाला
Yes,
प्लीज
3
विश
times.
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
3 टाइम विश किया, 3 टाइम। आई टेल यू द लास्ट विश आई गिव कि आर्यभट्टा ने 0 बनाया, आपने पॉलिटिकली यूज किया।
ग्रेट,
मैंने बोला आर्यभट्टा 0 बनाए, राहुल गांधी रोज यूज करते हैं। बताइए इससे ज्यादा विश क्या?
बहुत अच्छा जेस्चर है।
मैंने आर्यभट्टा जी के साथ उनको तुलना की।
आपको कम से कम अगर आप राहुल गांधी को पसंद नहीं भी करते, फिर भी वो इस देश के एक सैल्यूटरी पोजीशन पर है।
सर,
तो आपका फर्ज बनता था
सर,
प्राइम मिनिस्टर उनको विश करें, एक बोके दे करके आए।
सर, ही इज माई स्टार कैंपेनर। आई रियली लाइक हिम अ लॉट। प्लीज सर।
But Sanjay Jha, on a serious note.
our
No,
star campaigner
Sanjay
is
Jha,
also
on a
Narendra Modi.
serious note, I want to ask you, the manner in which Salman Khurshid had to respond, that my allegiance is being questioned because I am representing India abroad. Is patriotism so difficult? The way Shashi Tharoor has had to react, the way Manish Tiwari has had to react, clearly people are asking this question, that representing India is being seen as a black mark against these leaders only because they went to stand up for their country?
Navika, let me just debunk the entire usual rhetoric and the yada yada which is being done by the BJP here. Salman Khurshid, Shashi Tharoor, Manish Tiwari, they're all friends of mine. What did they say when they went as part of the overseas delegation? They said exactly what the Congress party said at the very beginning when Operation Sindoor started, saying that we are united with the government on all the steps that it takes against Pakistan. Because
Why did Salman Khurshid have to tweet what he did? Why did Salman Khurshid tweet what he did? Why did Tharoor not go with the line on the ceasefire as stated by the Congress party? Why? And is that the reason they are in hot water today?
Well, let me tell you, what is the bottom line, Navika? As we talk at this very moment of time, 9:47 in the evening, whether it's Shashi, whether it's Manish, whether it's Salman or anybody else in the Congress who has said things in their own very reasoned, independent opinion, the Congress hasn't taken action against anybody at all. So I do believe that these are fluid times.
They've literally taken action on Sanjay. They have literally taken action on him.
They haven't called Tharoor to campaign in his own state in a by-election. What more action do you want? Putting somebody in the doghouse or in cold storage, is that not action enough? Is that not indication enough in politics?
May I add one line? Sanjay, may I add one line? Sanjay, may I add one line?
Then why is Rahul Gandhi,
Sanjay, may I add one
Priyanka
line?
Gandhi Vadra going?
One second, I want to add a line to
I think this is not something
Sanjay.
to debate upon.
One line to Sanjay. Sanjay, has your suspension been revoked by the Congress? And please tell why you were
Well,
suspended.
On my show it was.
Since you're asking me, Shehzad, let me answer your question very simply. I know that ideologically you're more Congress. You only went to the BJP because you were miffed with some unpleasant experiences you had.
Forget psychoanalyzing my reasons. Boss, you talk about your suspension.
Your tweets on Mr. Modi and the RSS and the BJP.
Great, it
are
shows
in the
Modi is
public
tolerant.
domain.
Now answer your
I'm
question.
telling you through the Times now, through Navika, return back to the Congress. You are actually
you
more
forget where I
ideologically
return. You please
pro-Congress
tell me, has your
than
suspension
BJP.
been revoked? Has the mother of democracy, Congress, revoked her suspension?
No,
come back.
Shehzad, this doesn't have to be between you and me.
You just
I
made
can
comments
tell
on me.
You are
You
actually
just like
a
made
guy
5 comments
who
on me.
needs to be in the Congress party
Welcome back to
because
Shehzad.
you're a misfit in a party which you are so critical
संजय तुम
of.
अपना
This
देख
is
लो
a public
कांग्रेस में
domain,
मेरा
but
छोड़ दो भाई
against them.
Shehzad is not the only one to have left the party, and you know there are many others who left the party, and you don't want me to give you the list. All of them were your friends at one time, may still be your friends, and all of them know what's wrong with the Congress party. But are you in denial, Ashwini
There were
Kumar?
a few more like Hemant Biswa Sharma also left Congress, joined
And
BJP.
then you all left Northeast.
And there are
So
lot
did
of
Jiten
such
Prasad,
people
Jyotiraditya Scindia, Milind Deora.
who basically bowed down to बीजेपी प्रेशर पॉलिटिक्स जो ताकतवर थे, जो लड़ सकते थे, वो रुके हुए हैं, लड़ रहे हैं, जो कमजोर थे वो बीजेपी में चले गए.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, did those who left the Congress party bow down to the pressure of the BJP, or did they leave because within the Congress party it was Parivar Bhakti over everything else? Was it not absolutely true when all the young Turks of the Congress party left? All of them left, excluding Sachin Pilot, of course. All of them left because they didn't see a future within the Congress party. The comparisons between Rahul Gandhi and the young leaders like Jiten Prasad, RPN Singh, Milind Deora, Jyotiraditya Scindia, all of these people left because they saw no future, because Parivar Bhakti was the only Bhakti that mattered within the Congress party. The question tonight is, Parivar Bhakti has even reduced the stature of Mallikarjun Kharge, the president of the Congress party, because the Gandhis will always be bigger than any other post. Is this really the democratic party that we are talking about? And is that why Shashi Tharoor, Salman Khurshid, Manish Tiwari feel that patriotism certainly doesn't go down well within the Congress party? It's a question that begs an answer. We are waiting for an answer from the Congress party. We'll leave it at that. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night, be safe. I'll be back tomorrow.